What's good, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to teach you the 3 best marketing strategies that I believe every brand or business needs to be implementing to dominate Q4. We all know that Q4 is like the playoffs for businesses, and then Black Friday being the Super Bowl, right? There's a lot of financial gains to be made in Q4. And I know that you probably haven't been focusing on your brand or business as much as you would like to this year. 2020 has been a lot. COVID-19, pretty much blew away a lot of people. They were not prepared for COVID-19. Then on top of that, there's just so much going on in the world, right? They still have not arrested the cops that shot and killed Breonna Taylor. We lost Kobe Bean Bryant. We lost Chadwick Boseman and countless others. Rest in peace to all of them. So I know that this year has been a lot, but hopefully, Q4 brings a lot of opportunities for brands and businesses to make up money in revenue and, expand their brand awareness. And hopefully with the tools and strategies that I give you right now, you will have a very successful Q4. Now, if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Every subscriber, every like, every comment does a lot for this channel, so I greatly appreciate all the love and support. But I talked long enough. Let's get into the video. All right, you guys, so the first marketing strategy that I want to give to you is that you want to make sure that you're implementing a good content marketing strategy. Now, content marketing and having a good content marketing strategy should be fairly easy, because I recommend a lot of people just use the current themes of Q4. And what I mean by current themes is just the holiday seasons. So in October, you have Halloween. In November, you have Thanksgiving and then Black Friday. And then in December, you have Christmas, and then the other, holidays, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, stuff like that, right? So it's very easy to create content for each one of those holidays, and then they do fall in each individual month. So it's very easy to strategize a content strategy that works around that. Now, if you don't know what content marketing is, essentially you're just using written word or photos or videos to convey a message to your target audience that produces sales. Now, what I notice a lot, especially for people that are in, that solopreneur or side hustle phase, is they typically do not create enough content to get them through this holiday season. You cannot create enough content during this holiday season. I promise you, right? I made that mistake several times thinking, oh, I had enough content, I'm gonna be good. And then I get to like the 1st of November, or, I start to roll out some of my Black Friday content. I'm like, dang, I don't have enough. So you cannot overshoot enough. I promise you, if you're already making, 2 to 3 posts a week, you might wanna ramp that up to 6, maybe 9 posts, right? Or if you're doing 1 post a day, you might wanna go to 2 posts a day. So making sure that you have enough content to supplement what you think your target audience will need, and even beyond that, will put you in a good space. Because let's just say you have, creatives already set up, for your advertising or for your, content marketing strategy, and it's not going over well. The more content that you have, you can test more creatives, more content to see what resonates with your audience. But if you do not create enough, and your content is bombing, you're gonna put yourself in a bad space. So you definitely don't wanna do that, and definitely learn from my mistake, okay? But yeah, having a good content marketing strategy is definitely gonna put you in a good space for this 2020. So I recommend you get that on par right now. So the second marketing strategy that I have for you guys is to make sure that you implement a good influencer marketing strategy. People, I can't stress this enough. You're going to have to use a good influencer marketing strategy to be successful this 2020. Listen, we live in a monkey see, monkey do society, right? And it's true even for you, the consumer, right? So when you go on to Amazon, what is the first thing you look at? I'll wait. What is it? The reviews. You check and see if other people have used this product or service, how they like it, see if they post pictures, right? Or if you use Yelp to check out a restaurant, you want to make sure that other people like this product or service before you go to it. And all influencer marketing is just using that theory, right? That psychology just on steroids. So if an influencer is using it, more than likely the people that support them, more than likely the people that trust them, right, will also buy that product or service just off the strength of that influencer using it. Now, if you are a small business or a solopreneur, you want to make sure that you use more micro influencers. And what I deem a micro influencer is probably someone anywhere between the 5 to maybe 20K range. And typically with those influencers, they're typically not going to charge you. And if they're in your niche, they're probably just happy that you even consider them as an influencer and you want to give them free product. So that causes for a very low, marketing budget, because literally you're only paying for the cost of the product or shipping to send to them, but you're probably going to get a better return, because obviously even if you get one sale from that influencer, you at least broke even, right? And you at least increased brand awareness. So you're in a win-win situation 9 times out of 10 when you're using micro influencers, because again, they're typically not gonna charge you for anything. They're probably gonna be happy that they received this product, or you thought of them enough to give them this product, and then you're gonna increase brand awareness, and you're probably gonna get sales from it more than likely, especially if you use an influencer that is in your appropriate niche. Now, if you do want to reach out to bigger influencers and spend money and all that stuff, just make sure that you do your research. I cannot stress that enough. Make sure that your influencer that you're reaching out to is in your niche. Make sure that they haven't manufactured social proof, so the people that are engaging with their content are real people and not bots. Just, again, do your research. But having a good influencer marketing strategy can definitely help boost your brand, boost sales. So I definitely recommend you implementing it into your business this quarter 4. So the third marketing strategy that I strongly recommend that you implement in your business this quarter 4 is having some type of paid advertisement campaign. Now, you can use traditional forms of advertisement. So that's like print, newspaper, television, radio, billboard, stuff like that. But I really don't see you getting a lot of return on investment, right? So I don't really recommend you going that route. But again, you know your target audience and you think that that will resonate with them more and they will see it more, then try that out. But the majority of you, I would recommend going more of the social media route, using social media campaigns. So that would be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Now, if you do not have that skill set, you can hire people to help you out and run your ads. But I strongly recommend you learn it from yourself. Get with a consultant like me that can help you out, or get with somebody that you know or that you trust that is good in paid advertisements, social media advertisements, because you can waste a lot of money with Facebook ads and Instagram ads and YouTube ads if you do not know what you are doing. But the main reason that I also recommend these paid advertisement campaigns, because unfortunately we're in 2020, everything is pretty much paid to play. So if your influencer marketing campaigns aren't working and your just organic content marketing strategies aren't working, paid advertisements is a very, very good way to make sure that you're getting in front of your target audience. With Facebook, they have like 1 million data points to make sure that they're finding the target audience for your brand or business. And if you already have a customer list, right, you can create custom audiences, you can create lookalike audiences from people that have already purchased your products or service. So there's so much power with Facebook ads and Instagram ads that I think a lot of people aren't leveraging right now. So definitely having a good, social media paid advertisement strategy will definitely help build brand awareness, and revenue for your business. Family, I'm so excited for you, because I know if you use these strategies, you implement them effectively, I promise you, you will be successful this quarter 4. Now, you guys know at the end of the video, I always like to leave you with some encouraging words. Listen, I posted this on my Instagram. Being broke is hard. Being rich is hard. Choose your hard, okay? No matter what you do in life, you're gonna have a hard road. So why wouldn't you do the things, take the extra time, do the things that other people aren't doing so you can live a better life? So that's what I wanna leave you with at the end of this video. I hope that you guys truly enjoyed it and truly get value out of it. If you haven't already, again, subscribe, man. I would love to have you as a subscriber. I would greatly appreciate it. Thumb it up and then comment what was your favorite tip for this video. Until next time, be easy.